So before we go driving to our destination for today, which is Wadi Darbat, it's a 1 hour drive from our apartment. So this is our apartment. So we choose to stay for 7 days in the apartment, of course, so we could save money on food. The good thing about renting an apartment, we could cook and just buy groceries from outside instead of renting a hotel, so it's more expensive. So guys, if you're planning to go to Salala, it's better to rent an apartment like this or hotel apartment, so you could save a little bit of money from your food expenses. So this is our living room, which is very big. So this is our kitchen. So this apartment is cost like 6,500 dirham. So look at the both sides. There are so many fruits and vegetables market. This is fruits and vegetables market. Look. They have so many saging banana that they're selling. Hindi ko naman alam kung nauubos nila yan pag nabili. Umilig sa fruits ang mga. So we're like palit. Yung second day namin dito sa Wadi Darbat. Ito na yung pinakasikat na pasyahan. So it's almost 1 hour na travel. So ganito siya. Kulim-kulim ang ulan. Sa Pinas may bagyo na. Nagkakamping yung ibang mga tao sa tabi. Right here, one dark. Look, it's like Philippines. Look at the view. So this is building. Wadi Darbat. Wadi means water. Hi, we are here in Wadi Darbat. It's a very nice place. So, nandito kami sa Wadi Darbat. As you can see, the view is very nice. I have umbrella. So, ang ganda niya. Maulan na ma-fog. Wow! The weather? Oh, mashallah. Very nice. Hoy, parang nasa Titanic kami, oh. Yung mga kasama ko, seryoso yan. Oh.
Pero maganda yung palasing-lasing.
No, Ethan is very serious. I said I told Ethan we're gonna put this one in YouTube so Nani can at least watch this one when we're traveling. No. I will send the I will change the name, my name of my YouTube.
You sent the it's on WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure.
Victoria, you only use it for listening or not posting something. Just look on Facebook. Yeah,
Yeah, sure. So parang Titanic, dahan-dahan kaming nalutang, hindi naman nalo. This is
that's the fish you can put in John. This John can take freaking skeleton. I mean, that's Victoria looks like an apple.
saan?
I know.
Saan?
No, look, it's like Curious George.
Victoria's making fun now. She's calling me Curious George.
Mama, I'm saying opposite Curious George.
It's like Japan.
Ikot kita ng ikot.
Round and round.
Aha.
It's round and round.
Nag-trip na siya eh.
Ha?
Nag-trip na.
Hindi kasi
Kahit ako eh.
ano.
Parang si Mapusibo.
Huwag kang
Si
dyan,
Junior.
intindihan ko.
Parang si Junior to eh. Junior.
Now after our boating, we're going to Wadi Darbat picnic area. So it's just maybe 5 minutes drive from Wadi Darbat boating. So ito siya. As you can see, this is the very nice view. It's a little bit traffic. Dito na tayo tayo. Lakad na lang tayo.
Yeah, of course it's a pretty weed. That's why I'm not here.
This is their, ito yung tourist spot nila sa Lala. Ito ay Wadi Darbat. Good for the family. As you can see. Okay, may zip line. Ayan, may mga kainan. Oh. Good. So much traffic. Ayan. Yung toilet, wala na dito. Now we're going to Wadi Darbat picnic area. So it's this place is just near to Wadi Darbat boating. So they are just connected to each other. Ayan. So magkakatabi sila. Ayan. Switzerland na Kyrgyzstan. Ayan. Diyan sila nag-picnic. I can have you a photo. This is like in Japan, you know? Hoy, ang ganda dito. Oh my God, this is like paradise.
Ay, ganda dito. Ay, grabe.
Look. That is water.
Yeah, I'd say it again.
When it comes to survival of the fittest, especially for the fish, the first thing they should prioritize is camouflage. So if there's one that stands out, then
Ah, that's how I see them.
what? No. They're really wide.
So this is Wadi Darbat. Waiting for my driver. Maraming sasakyan. Hindi naman nasira, hindi gumagana yung lang. Daming tutupi. Where's your papa? We're walking here in Salah City Center. Where the vegetables.
Oh, wait. Ambot na ulan.
There's so many banana and
Anong market yun?
fruits and vegetables market.
Doon?
Yung location natin.
Yung daanan natin yun.
Fruits and vegetable market, Almontasas Street. Athena is also very good in location. Oh, memorize niya yung mga daan.
Kasi pag kita ito binunwari, so binensa mo na yun.
Doon na lang. Malapit lang. Fruits and vegetable market, magkakatabi.